Hello and welcome to Hanwell railway station, located on the Great Western Mainline, a station I've wanted to come to for quite some time now. Passing through first of all, we have a Heathrow Express class 387. This one is going from Heathrow Terminal 5 to London Paddington. Seven 130, 387 133. One of the things I've seen about Hanwell is that it has amazing views out the side of the station. So we can get a nice bit of optical zoom action down there as 387 133 just pulls into West Ealing there. Anyway, here you'll be seeing services operated by TfL Rail, Great Western Railway and Heathrow Express. So let's see what turns up here. Passing through now, we have a Great Western Railway class 802 going from Penzance to Paddington. I completely missed the numbers on that one. That was an 802. Perhaps it was 802-011. I'll go back when I'm editing to check the numbers. Passing through now, we have a TfL Rail class 345 bound for Reading. For 070. It's nice to see some of the 9 cars here as well. And again, now we have a TfL rail service. This one is going from Hayes and Harlington to London Paddington, operated by 345058. Apparently, according to the head code lines, this train's head code is 8 Alpha 12. That does not sound right. It isn't, whatever it is, it's not 8 Alpha 12. 245058 is spotting out now. Let's look at West Ealing. Passing through now with another Heathrow Express class 387 bound for Heathrow Terminal 5. Thirty-seven 132 and 387 141. I'd like to say it's nice to see the 387s doing Heathrow Express runs, but that's not my honest opinion. I much prefer the 332s. But the 332s did sort of need to go into retirement. It's not entirely GWR's fault. Right, arriving in here, we have 345052. This is on a service bound for Hayes and Harlington. This one's head code is apparently 8 Alpha 11. I don't think any of these destination boards are really working properly, are they? I mean, they tell you the next station and destination, that's all the passengers really care about, to be honest. The supposed 9 Tango 85, or 8 Alpha 11, is off. Next stop being at Southall. Oh, that's also coming through. There's 800-014, that's bound for Cheltenham Spa. Passing through now, we have a TfL Rail Class 345 on the fast lines going from Reading to Paddington. This is not the thing you see every day, is it? 345043. As also That was 800 320 bound for Bristol Temple Meads. Coming in now, we have another TfL roll, class 345. P45059. Passing through now, we have a Heathrow Express class 387 as 345 departs. This is going from Heathrow Central to Paddington. 140 and 387 135. Passing through now, we have .560 with a really heavy load there. Did you see how much that 66 was struggling? That is going from Acton TC to Merehead Quarry. Passing through another 800 going from Bedwin to Paddington. Might be an 802 actually. 800 030. Freight 7174 bringing with it Freight 7149. They were going from London Paddington to Didcot Parkway. Passing through now, we have Heathrow Express 387. Just the return of 387 133 and 130 going to Heathrow Terminal 5. Passing through now, I have two trains. First of all, we have an 800 going from Cheltenham Spa to London Paddington. That was 802002. It's also passing through. Freight 7163 and 161 going from Didcot Parkway to London Paddington. Coming in now, we have the delayed 50 and 36 TfL roll service bound for Heathrow Terminal 4. This is 345002. Passing through now, we have departing out now, we have the 50 and 36 TfL rail service bound for Heathrow Terminal 4. Passing through now, we have two trains. Not sure which is going to come first. They may both pass exactly as 3 trains. They may both pass at exactly the same time. I'll get this one first because I think it's a bit more interesting. Great Sevens, as here we have how many? 800 311 bound for Great Malvern. 66089 going from Culvert to Titherington. There's a bunch of weapons, can't tell whether they're loaded or not. This has come by means of the Greenford branch from the Chiltern Main Line. As also coming in, we have a TfL Rail Class 345 going from Hayes and Harlington to London Paddington. Here he comes. (345.052) bound for Hayes and Harlington. As it rolls in. Nice tone there just a minute ago. Passing through now is a Class 802. 802.003 bound for Great Malvern. The previous service, which I said was bound for Great Malvern, was 1 Bravo 21. I think that was going to Swansea. Uh, 345.052 to pass. Bound for Paddington. Next up will be West Ealing. Passing through now, we have a delayed TfL Rail service bound for Reading. (345.049). Passing through now, I have another Heathrow Express Class 387 bound for Heathrow Terminal 5. Great 7135 and 140. Passing through now, we have a GWR Class 800 going from Bristol Temple Meads to Paddington. I think that was 800.008. Passing through now, we have another 800. (800.035 and 005). Passing through now, the TfL Rail 345 going from Reading to Paddington. It's 345.068. Just heard reports of a track defect in the Royal Oak Ladbroke Grove area. You just heard that due to a speed restriction due to high track temperatures. We now also have the delayed 1602 TfL Rail service going from Paddington to Hayes and Harlington. It is 345.058. As also passing behind on the fast lines, you have another 345. Or an ECS going fast from Reading to Paddington. As that one departs, arriving in now is my train, which is the 1612 TfL rail service going to Paddington.
Will be the 1611 TfL rail service to London Paddington, West Ealing Broadway, and
So yes, I'm going to end it there. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really do hope that you've enjoyed. If you did, then please click the like button down below, and if you do enjoy my content, then please do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in another video with my camera battery that dies out. See you in a bit. Bye bye.